My name is James Cowan, and I work at ThenDesign Architecture as a project designer. What excites me about the projects at TDA is the community involvement and impact that the project has at the end. And I mean, throughout the course of the project, we always try to involve community and understanding the vision that the community has for the school building. So that's a really exciting part to me, and it's good to be involved in those visioning sessions, and I think TDA does a great job with that. I think it's just important to bring different experiences to the table. Someone else might not think about the space like you think about the space. So whether they're older or younger, or security might be something that's very important to them, while connecting with nature may be very important to someone else. You want to make sure you're understanding the space and what should happen there from all ranges. You bring those different minds to the table, you're able to develop something that's more inclusive. So one of my favorite aspects of the design process is making sure that the exterior responds to its surrounding. Just making sure that it's not a contextual building, that you can't just take this building and put it anywhere is important. What's funny is I didn't know I would be as passionate about educational design until I got to TDA, where they were involved in a mentorship program called ACE. And I started to learn a little more about TDA from the people who were already working here. And I thought it was an interesting place. So once I got to TDA, I started to understand the impact that's happening with the community. So I'm like, that's something I want to be a part of. It's very exciting to see a school open and kids running to the school, or the groundbreaking, and how the excitement for something new impacts someone's life, and that keeps me at TDA. As far as understanding the impact that architecture makes on people's lives, I'm still understanding that myself. I think the projects I've worked on, seeing how occupants actually use the space, will provide some insight to actually student-centered learning and not what we think. So I think just as buildings remain open, we'll see the evolution of the spaces. That's exciting as well. I think that the impact is going to be a positive one. The evolution of the space as technology changes will be the telltale story. So